You've got jeans you don't like, and today we're gonna show you how to fix them on this episode of Can We Fix It?
We'll work on it.
Enter my lovely assistant, Garrison.
Hello.
We're gonna look at his pants and talk about the 3 top things that we can change about your jeans to make them 10 times better. Let's start at the top and look at the waist. So if your waist is too big, great news, that's an easy fix. We're gonna go straight to that center back seam and tighten up straight through here. You can ask your tailor to lift this belt loop and literally take in straight through here. Now, if your jean waist is too small, bad news, that is one that can't be altered. There is no extra material in the waist of specifically jeans or denim, so they can't be let out, they can only be taken in. If you'd like a little more information on this, or maybe you even want to try it yourself, we have an awesome jeans waist alteration video that you can look at right here. One note I like to make about this one is, people often ask, why do I go through the center back seam? Personally, I think it's cleaner, I think it's smoother and more comfortable, but you could always try the darts option in the waist. There are videos out there on it, but since it's something I don't do, I don't have one. So check that out, see what you think, but the bulkiness in the waist from a dart, for me, I don't like it. Not comfortable, it's not for me. But as always, we would love suggestions on it. Problem number 2, my jeans are too wide. This is a really common one that people really like to change often. So we end up going in and out on the pant leg width a lot. This is a simple one too. All we're gonna do is, with the customer facing the mirror, we're just gonna throw some pins in and start guessing. I'm looking at enough room for him to be able to bend his knee, but also pinning enough to give a really impactful change, that skinnier, sleeker look. And we're just coming straight down the outseam. It could also come down the inseam. Whatever looks good to you in the mirror, that's what you're gonna communicate to your tailor. Like I said, this alteration is super popular and really common. I get this question all the time. Can you make them thinner? Can you make them smaller? And yes, it is not a difficult procedure. If you would like to know more about this alteration, or maybe even try it yourself, take a look at this video that we just did on how to modernize a pant in general. My jeans are too long. All we're gonna do is flip it up until we like the length while looking in the mirror again. Now, as I'm doing this, where the fold of the pant is, that's where the new hem is gonna be. So don't think of this as a cuff. It's not a cuff. We're not gonna be adding that back on. We're just gonna be shortening the jean to whatever looks good. When I fold it up like this, when I'm working with a customer, I also like to ask them to turn a little bit and look at themselves in the mirror so that they can see that side view of how far it comes up in the back and how far it comes up on the front. The last thing that I like to do when I'm looking at a hem is ask them, have you washed the pants? Especially with jeans with a high cotton content, we got a definite possibility of shrinkage. So you're gonna wanna wash these pants before you bring them in to get any of these alterations done. The pant hem, and the jean hem specifically, is probably our top alteration. It's gonna be for any alteration shop. If you'd like to try out this procedure yourself, we've got 2 different options. My personal favorite, the original jean hem, and you can take a look at that video up here, and that is actually putting that original hem back on the pant just at a shorter length. But there's also an option called the cut and turn, which is a simpler version of, you guessed it, cutting the pant and turning that raw edge up. Both of those are great options. Both are options that you can try at home or ask your local tailor. All of these alterations are really common, straightforward things that I'd love to see you try yourself, but also you could read up on and ask a local tailor to do for you. All of the videos that we've talked about are linked in the description below, so check those out down there. And most importantly, let us know what garments you want to see on the next episode of Can We Fix It? You've got some fresh ideas.
Well,
You've
got a
something
new bit, and
yeah.
I have lots of intro ideas.
Yeah.
So
You are
I'm just
good at
gonna
this
try
stuff.
them.
Okay.
You tell me what you like.
Okay.
Option number 1.
Great. Okay.
You've got a pair of pants, but you don't like how they fit. You got some new pants, but you're trying to make them fit. Welcome to the show, we're gonna fix it. Your pants don't fit well, but it's not a happy little accident. Great news, we can fix that on this episode of Can We Fix This? Okay, so that's like, and I could probably come down off of that.
I think you should come up on that.